Hey, what's happening, ladies and germs? This is the PackerMan, and since I'm sitting here waiting for Dead Space 2 to download onto the computer, or not the computer, but the Xbox, since I'm going to be playing it, I've decided that I'm going to go ahead and do my Dubby taste test. Of course, this is what I'm talking about. Dubby Jitterless Energy Blend. Be better. And the flavor that I got was Dragonade, which is dragon fruit and pink strawberry lemonade. I have not opened this yet. Because I don't know what to expect. God, I can smell that dragon fruit. So that's what it looks like. What the hell is this? Do not eat. Pillow pack contains a harmless absorbent for humidity and odor. Alright then. Got dust all over my fucking pants here. Alright, so give me a second and I'm going to go grab a measuring spoon to scoop some of this stuff in. Alright, I got my measuring spoons. I would imagine it doesn't take all that much. Bear in mind, I have no idea what this tastes like or if it'll give me the energy like it says it will. There you go. Got a tablespoon. We're going to dip that in there. We're going to add some water. And this is the Dubby shaker that I got with it. Does it say how long it needs to be shaken? Stir or shake well. Doesn't this pop open? Yep. Alright, so here we go. Tasting the Dragonade. See how good it tastes, or if it's any good. That's actually not bad. You can definitely taste the pink lemonade. And a little bit of dragon fruit. You can definitely taste the pink lemonade a little bit more than the dragon fruit. But that's actually not bad. Yeah, that's actually not bad. I'm actually quite impressed. But of course, this is also supposed to like give you an energy boost. So, but as far as the taste test goes, yeah, that's actually not bad. Has no sugar in it. Serving size is 1 scoop, 5.3 grams, which, how much is a tablespoon? It's 15 milligrams. Yeah, so that's not really a whole lot, I don't think, that I put in there. But, yeah, that's actually not bad. For a dietary supplement, it's actually not bad, because that's what it actually says on here. Oh, so as far as the taste test goes, I'll give that a big thumbs up. But yeah, not bad. I might end up trying some of the other flavors sooner rather than later. So, but that is my official taste test for the Dubby Jealous Energy Blend Dragonade. I would actually recommend it because it actually tastes pretty good. And I'm really picky about the kind of drinks that I usually drink. So, yeah, could be better, but it's actually not bad. I would actually recommend it. So I might actually try some of the other flavors in the future. But that is my taste test of the Dubby Jealous Energy Blend. So thank you very much for watching, and see you again for another video.